Hey everyone, I'm gonna take a look at the Co-op Design Challenge. These co-ops have been working on innovative projects all semester long, and today's the day where they show off what they've invented. Let's go check them out. Our FirstBuild community constantly inspires us to work on new, interesting ideas, but we can only work on a limited number, and what's exciting about this Intern and Co-op Design Challenge is that they are actually working on a lot of the most high potential ideas that you as community members have submitted to FirstBuild. Let's go check them out. Team Fresh Vault, what's happening here?
So the goal of our product, the Fresh Vault, is trying to make it the fridge more like a root cellar. So when we tested it out, it was only getting up to like 30% humidity. With this Fresh Vault, we can get it up to 95%, like in just 30 minutes.
Tell us about Windowponics.
Alright, so Windowponics is a hanging deep water culture hydroponics planter, and it utilizes a pump to aerate nutrient water that feeds the roots and promotes plant growth almost twice as fast as regular planting would.
In terms of scope for the actual Windowponics system, mainly it's because it's targeted at people with where they don't necessarily want to have to deal with like traditional gardening. They might not have the space. So the idea is with a tension rod, if you have a windowsill, which I mean most people have windows, you just hang it up there and it's completely self-contained. Really it has a timer built in too, so if you don't really want the pump running all the time, you can just set certain time periods a day which will turn on.
So right now we're looking to power our RVs using solar panels, and there are a few different companies right now who are going to start using more solar to power the RVs, to power all of the appliances within the RVs. And we are trying to find an even more efficient system, and by doing that we are having a way of tracking the sun throughout the entire day so that you get maximum energy consumption the entire time that the sun's up, instead of just like 2 or 3 max peak hours when the sun's up.
So our system is very unique in the fact that it doesn't require an Arduino board or an ESPN system. The solar panels are directly powering the motor using the wires. So the only thing that we have on our system is the solar panel, the wires, and the motor. And the solar panels are wired inversely to the motor, so that way the motor will rotate in one direction when one solar panel is exposed, and the opposite direction when the other is exposed.
My name is Ian Graham, and this is our Mela camera showcase. We made a time lapse for the Mela. We basically did a bunch of market research by going onto their Facebook group and asking them what they actually wanted. We basically created a camera that we could connect or clip onto the actual case of Mela.
So our prototype is pretty simple. It's basically just a box that holds the camera in. There's a little cover for the back so it doesn't fall out, and then little slots for the wires to all hook in. So yeah, our next steps would be creating a better prototype and a better mounting system to lower that camera or make it adjustable.
And it's filming right now and sending the stream to a server hosted on the board.
Our next steps for the Mela is to incorporate a better integration between the video and the time lapse. We also want to have a bit more lighting so you can see the growth of your mushrooms, and then finally incorporate an adjustable mount so the camera can see the mushrooms grow.
Mushrooms, solar panels, so many inspiring ideas here at the Co-op Design Challenge. Let us know in the comments which ones you liked best, and you might see some of them continue their development at FirstBuild. See you next week.